ang tinatanong ko, sagutin mo. Otherwise, I will cite you in contempt also. Sagutin mo. Tama ba ako o mali?
Grado, during that gathering, the President, former PNP Chief Bato de la Rosa, former, now Senator and Senator Bongo is present. Dumaan po sa inyo, hindi?
I could not remember.
Oh,
all
you
the-
cannot remember. Okay.
Mr.
Colonel Leonardo, napag-usapan niyo ba doon sa 96, yung Davao template? Yes or no?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po ma-recall yung
Nako.
Davao template. Pero mga...
Oh, anyway,
Usap
yan
po
na
kami.
naman ha. Yan na naman, okay.
Na-discuss ninyo yung Davao template.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Tama. Okay. Let's leave it at that. Pag nakakuha pa kami ng mga testigo na ikaw ay nagsisinungaling, tatamaan ka rito.
I just want to test, of course, Colonel Garma. Anyway, Miss Garma, your letter will be tackled on the latter part, no, in this committee hearing.
Thank you, Your
And
Honor.
thank you for once again stating that what you have said during the previous hearing, tinindigan mo po yung statement mo. Now, ma'am, during the previous hearing, I asked you about such meeting. That was June 28, 2015, 2016. That was 3 days before the former President Duterte assumed his office. And during the previous hearing, inamin na po ni Colonel Leonardo, but not telling what really happens. Well, in fact, he was evading during the time to tell where the place happens. He stated, not you, but him stated that there's a meeting or gathering in the DPWH building in Davao. And in my data, at alam na po namin kung sino-sino yung nandun. Now, do you confirm, ma'am, that there is a meeting for ito, specific, class 96 ang 97?
Yeah, it's
Or
like,
did you talk something about that war on drugs? Sabihin na natin, Davao template.
halo-halo kasi yung pinag-usapan
Hindi,
namin.
tatanungin lang
Mr.
kita.
Chair.
Did you discuss about Davao template? O, nandito si Patay. Grijaldo, nandito kayo. Oh, now, let me ask you once again. Is there a meeting and it was discussed about Davao template?
May I be
Yes,
allowed to
please.
ask? Kasi po, ang understanding ko kasi pag discussion, there's an in-depth na pag-uusap. Pero may napag-usapan po, but it's not in-depth. It's just passing, Mr. Chair.
What I'm saying is, ma'am, diretso lang po. Nag-usap ba kayo tungkol doon sa Davao template? Yes or no?
Napag-usapan din po. Mr.
Napag-usapan. Colonel Leonardo, napag-usapan niyo ba doon sa 96 yung Davao template? Yes or no?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po ma-recall yung
Nako.
Davao template. Pero mga...
Oh, anyway,
Usap
yan
po
na
kami.
naman ha. Yan na naman. Okay. As of now, hindi ko tatanggapin yung reasoning mo, pero I will leave it to that. Now, Colonel Patay, you were there. Yes or no?
No, Mr. Chair.
You were not there.
No, Mr. Chair.
In the second floor, you were not there.
No, Mr. Chair.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Sige. Chairman, let me put in record na tinanggi ni Colonel Patay na he was there. Colonel Grijaldo, are you present during the time? The first June 28, second floor of the DPWH building.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You were there.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, it was discussed about the Davao template?
No, Mr. Chair.
No?
Yes, sir.
Oh, no. So you contradict the statement of Ms. Garma na isa sa mga pinag-usapan doon? Colonel Gardo, you're under oath.
Yes, yes,
Baka
Mr.
maaga
Chair.
ka.
I could not confirm the statement of...
So, no. None.
yes, Mr. Chair.
Wala. O anong ginawa niyo lang doon sa loob ng kwarto?
We were there the time, Mr. Chair.
No, tinatanong ko, anong ginawa niyo? Kasi nakakahon kayo doon eh. Di ba? Ako kinukonfirm mo ba na 96, kaiba isang room, 97 sa kabilang room?
No, Mr. Chair.
Ha?
No, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Again, Mr. Chairman, let it put in record that Colonel Grijaldo denied that there is a meeting that they were placed, the 96 and 97, in separate room. Now, Colonel Gardo, during that gathering, the President, former PNP Chief Bato de la Rosa, former now Senator and Senator Bongo is present. Dumaan po sa inyo, hindi?
I could not remember.
Oh,
all
you
the-
cannot remember. Okay.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, you cannot remember. Colonel Bato, PNP Chief, now Senator Bato de la Rosa, and Senator Bongo, pumunta po doon sa room nyo. Yes or no?
Sir, ang naalala ko, nag-courtesy call po kami.
Hindi, tanong ko kung pumunta sa room nyo. Pumunta ba hindi?
Sa room na, kasi sir, naka-separate na room po.
Kaya nga, tinatanong ko sa room ng 96.
Ang alam ko
Kasi
po, sir,
nandun
lumabas po kami sa corridor. Then we met
the whole 96.
Senator Bongo during that time.
The whole 96.
Not the whole 96, there are some class 96, Mr. Chair.
Hindi nga, yung nandun na 96. Alam ko naman hindi lahat eh.
Yes po.
Oh, yes.
Nag-meet po kami doon sa corridor po.
O, pero nandun kayo sa isang room.
Lumabas po kami doon sa room na parang waiting area.
O, cubicle. Cubicle, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Parang
yes.
room siya. Na,
Okay.
Then
So,
lumabas
nandun
po
si Senator Bongo, Senator De La Rosa, and the President. Tama?
Hindi ko po ma-recall kung nandun si
Eh,
Senator Bongo.
may in-introduce ka pa nga
Bongo.
isa eh. May in-introduce ka pa nga isa eh. Na, Mr. President, this is blah, blah, blah. You don't recall?
Actually, marami po akong
Nako.
pinakilala ko po yung mga classmates ko.
Tapos, sino pa?
Meron din po kaming hindi classmates.
Sino nga? O you cannot recall?
Marami po.
Okay,
sir,
Mr. Chairman, dyan na muna. Hindi ko na muna ipitin si Colonel Leonardo to that question. Now, Colonel Galma, do you confirm that indeed, during that meeting, nandun, pumunta si General Bato, si Senator Bongo, and the President?
No, Mr. Chair, wala akong naalalang pumunta si General Bato at saka si Senator Bongo dun sa aming...
Sa room nyo?
Yes, wala pong
Wala.
pangyayaring ganun po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, anyway. Mukhang totoo yung sinasabi mo. No? But sa 96, nandun. But anyway, hindi pa naman tayo tapos dyan, Colonel Leonardo. But in the next hearing, Mr. Chairman, we will invite all those named listed during that allegedly in your account courtesy call. Kasi po, nakuha na po natin ng committee to lahat ng mga assignments. Yung mga nandun, di ba, pinakuha ko ng nakaraan since 2016 onward. O, kaya nga nandito si Patay, nandito si Colonel Grijaldo. Ang next siguro, let us see. Sa next hearing. No? Diyan na muna ako. At least si Colonel Garma has already stated all those accounts with regards to the Picol killings and the meeting or sabi nga nila, courtesy call that happens 3 days before. And after 3 days, on more than a month, from July, then August 11, 12, 13, and it was on record that in the 3 jail or correctional, doon po sa Picol, doon sa Leyte, and doon sa Parañaque, nangyari lahat yung mga pagpapatay. And that includes yung grenade throwing doon sa Parañaque. In that 3 faithful day, magkasunod po. And marami na po nangyari. Well, in fact, dito ngayon, hawak din namin yung records of all the killings that happens doon po sa Bureau of Jail and Management and Penology naman with regards to in relation to the drug killings. So by now, Mr. Chairman, that's all for now.
Mr. Chair,
Okay, thank you, Congressman Paduano. Yes, Congressman Ako,
may I just ask some questions for clarification?
please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Madam Garma, you confirm that in June 28 of 2016, nag-meeting kayo ng mga klase mo in Davao City sa DPWH office, second floor. You confirm that?
Yes, Mr. Chair, we met there, sir.
Yes. And would you confirm na ikaw ang tumawag po ng meeting na yun doon ng mga klase mo?
I cannot recall, Mr. Chair, kasi may ibang classmate ako na napadaan din doon. And then, gusto nila magpa-picture. So sabi ko, pwede naman siguro, Mr. Chair.
Magpa-picture. Kanino?
Sa presidente po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. But you confirm, in the line of interpellation of Leonor Paduano, na nagkaroon kayo ng meeting doon po sa Davao on June 28. Tama po?
We met, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Inamin mo nga nung last na hearing eh.
Yes po.
Ang pinag-usapan ninyo ay tungkol po doon sa Davao template.
Napag-usapan po kasi halo-halo na po yung
Okay.
pinag-uusapan po namin, Mr.
Thank
Chair.
you po. So that is how much or what you can admit as of now.
Yan na po yung maalala
Okay,
ko rin
thank
po.
you. Commissioner Leonardo, in the last or in that hearing, inamin mo rin na nagkita-kita kayo. Hindi mo inamin na nag-meeting kayong mga classmate in the last hearing. Ang inamin mo po ay nagkita-kita ka po kayo doon sa Davao. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And kung nagkita-kita kayo, bakit po kayo nandun sa isang kwarto doon sa DPWH building? Separate ang members ng Class 96 of PNPA at separate yung Class 97 ng PNPA.
Mr. Chair, doon po kami nilagay while waiting po kasi mag-courtesy call po kami, magpapapicture po kay PRRD, Mr. Chair.
And according to your answers to the Honorable Paduano, wala pa kayong diniscuss na Davao template. Would that be correct?
Wala po kaming marami
Yes
po
or
kaming
no?
diniscuss.
Yes or no? Ang tanong ko po ay answer
Wala
ko
po
ba
akong
yes or
ma-recall
no?
na diniscuss namin na
Sabihin mo
Davao
lang
template.
kung hindi nyo diniscuss o hindi.
Hindi po, Mr.
Dahil ang
Chair.
paniningil sa banda-banda roon.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Now, Colonel Patay, what class are you at sa PNPA?
97, Mr. Chair.
97. Yung kaklase mo si Madam Garma, tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And she admitted na nag-meeting ang mga class 97 doon on June 28, 2016. Narinig mo naman siguro.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And do you deny that you were not there?
Wala po ako doon, Mr.
Wala.
Chair.
Now, Madam Garma, is that true?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Wala si Colonel Patay doon.
Pagkakaalala ko, wala po siya, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Thank you. Now, Colonel Grijaldo, what class are you sa PNPA?
Yes, sir. I'm class 97, sir.
And you also deny that you were there sa meeting o sa meeting na inamin ni Colonel Garma?
Mr. Chair, I was there in the place.
You were there.
Yes, sir.
And you deny na nadidiscuss ninyo yung Davao template.
Yes, sir.
So you are trying to tell this committee na either of you, ikaw at saka si Madam Garma, ang nagsisinungaling. Kasi hindi pwedeng nagsisinungaling pa yung parehas di ba?
I could not confirm that, Mr.
Hindi
Chair.
nga. Ikaw naman, iho. Matalino ka naman siguro. Kaya hindi ka aabot sa rangko na yan kung hindi ka matalino, iho. Simpleng-simple lang yung tanong ko. Ang sabi ni Madam Garma, nag-meet kayo, diniscuss nyo yung template. Ikaw, inamin mo na nandun ka, nakipag-meeting ka, pero ang dinideny mo, diniscuss nyo yung Davao template. Tama?
Mr. Chair, I could not confirm the
Hindi ko naman pinakukulong sa iyo Ang tinatanong ko, sagutin mo. Otherwise, I will cite you in contempt also. Sagutin mo. Tama ba ako o mali?
Mr. Chair, kindly say again the question.
Pinapagod mo pa ako Ang tinatanong ko sa iyo, ang sabi ni Madam Garma, nag-meet kayo noong June 28, 2016 sa Davao. Yung class po ninyo, Diba? Inadmit niya yon. At inadmit din niya na isa sa pinag-usapan ninyo ay yung Davao template. Tama. Ikaw, inadmit mo na nandun ka noong June 28 sa meeting na yon. Ang hindi mo ina-admit ay diniscuss ninyo yung Davao template. Tama ba ako?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, ang dinideny mo, yung sinabi ni Madam Garma na hindi nyo, na diniscuss ninyo yung Davao template.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Tama. Okay. Let's leave it at that. Pag nakakuha pa kami ng mga testigo na ikaw ay nagsisinungaling, tatamaan ka rito. Thank you, Mr. Chair.